Hello guys! If you can't sign into Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, or Outlook and see error 0x800704cf. First, uninstall any recently installed Windows updates. Go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Update History. Uninstall updates. Select the latest update, uninstall it, and restart your PC. Next, make sure the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant service is running. Type Services in Windows Search, open it, find the service, set it to automatic, click Start, and then restart it. If the issue persists, run inetcpl.cpl, go to the Advanced tab, and ensure TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 are all checked. Apply the changes and check again. You can also try switching to a different network or using your phone's hotspot. Finally, repair or reset the app giving the error. Go to App Settings, Terminate, Repair, and if needed, click Reset. One of these steps should let you sign in successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful fixes.